Okay, I have 2006 Ford turbo problem, and I took apart the turbo right here and put in this thing. It was sticking. This thing was sticking here. I'm not mechanic, sorry. Anyway, this thing keeps sticking, and I'm gonna clean it. And but those are loose, and I don't know how to put those things back in now. I took apart and I've been looking, so I marked it somewhere on this. Where is my mark? Right there. So then I mark here. It's supposed to go in here. You see all those holes supposed to be lined up, which is it's not going to happen. I've been trying to adjust those and that. So, and then after I said there has to be somewhere easy way to put this thing in the factory, which is a factory must have some kind of sleeve, put it in there, and then they all line up and then drop this one in. So I have here some duct tape. Luckily I got this one, and okay, here's the duct tape. So I put those one back on, and then get this one in. First I was looking to some kind of measure the size, so I find that some okay, look, there's all run perfectly. Then I get that one, put it in my mark right there, mark right there. So let's see, it's supposed to be, where is the line up? Man, it's so, where is the mark? Okay, right there, right there. Huh? Right there. Hold on. I wish I had stand to put this one in. I have to do this one like back one. Okay, right there. It's not backward, no. Right there. Perfect. Just gone in there. Oh, I was looking at that thing. So it's gone in there. Now I have to take it out. This show again. Okay. See, those things just line up right there. The end of it, basically, when it's open. That's a knife. Okay. Again. So you come there. Right there. Perfect. I find a way to put it in, because I was looking how if I clean that, I'm gonna